Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh chili peppers, 1 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget a few cloves of garlic and 1 small onion to add depth. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious and vibrant hot sauce, ensuring a perfect balance of heat and flavor. Next, prepare your peppers. Wash and chop them, removing the stems. For a richer flavor, consider fermenting them. Place the chopped peppers in a clean jar with a 2% brine solution, ensuring they are fully submerged. Let them ferment for 5 to 7 days at room temperature. This step adds incredible depth and a unique tang to your hot sauce, making it truly special. Now it's time to cook. Sauté your garlic and onion in a pot until they are soft, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Add the fermented peppers, vinegar, salt, and sugar to the pot. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for about 15 minutes, allowing the peppers to soften. Carefully transfer everything to a blender and process until you achieve a perfectly smooth consistency. Finally, for that silky texture, strain your blended sauce through a fine mesh sieve. Press down firmly on the solids to extract every last drop of flavorful liquid. Taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning if necessary, perhaps adding a pinch more salt or a touch of sugar. Once perfected, pour your homemade hot sauce into clean bottles. Store it in the refrigerator and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.